Hey folks, Mike Rowe here, and today we're diving deep, literally, into the heart of the Swiss Alps to explore a modern marvel of engineering, the Gotthard Base Tunnel. This isn't just any tunnel, it's a feat of human ingenuity and perseverance. This ain't your grandpappy's train tunnel, folks. Back in the day, tunnels were narrow, dark, and quite a bit spooky. This is a 57-kilometer or 35.4-mile beast of a tunnel, the longest and deepest traffic tunnel in the world. Imagine boring through solid rock for that distance. Why go through all the trouble of boring through a mountain range? Well, it's not just for the thrill of it. For starters, the Alps have always been a bit of a pain in the neck for transportation. The winding roads and steep inclines made it a logistical nightmare. Trucks clogged up narrow mountain passes, causing delays and increasing the risk of accidents. The old Gotthard Tunnel, built in the 1880s, was too steep for high-speed trains. It was a marvel in its time but couldn't keep up with modern demands. The Swiss, being the innovative bunch they are, decided to solve this problem the only way they knew how, by building a tunnel that would make even the toughest miners say, "Holy moly." They employed cutting-edge technology and a dedicated workforce to carve out this subterranean passage. Today, high-speed trains zip through the Gotthard Base Tunnel, connecting northern and southern Europe with ease. It's a game-changer for both freight and passenger transport. So next time you find yourself marveling at the Swiss Alps, remember the incredible engineering that lies beneath. It's a testament to human determination and the relentless pursuit of progress. The idea for a base tunnel through the Gotthard Massif, the heart of the Alps, was first dreamt up in the 1940s. Visionaries of that era imagined a direct route that would revolutionize travel and transport across Europe. Yeah, you heard that right, this thing was on the drawing board for almost as long as I've been alive. These early plans were ambitious, but the technology and resources needed were far beyond what was available at the time. But it wasn't until the 1990s that things really got rolling. Advances in engineering and tunneling technology finally made it possible to turn those old dreams into a reality. The Swiss knew this was going to be a massive undertaking. The sheer scale of the project was daunting, requiring meticulous planning and coordination. They needed to gather the best engineers, geologists, and construction workers on the planet. This was a global effort, bringing together experts from various fields to tackle the challenges ahead. They were talking about boring through some of the hardest rock known to man. The geological conditions were tough, and the machinery had to be up to the task. After years of planning and feasibility studies, the Swiss people voted in favor of the project in 1992. Democracy in action, folks. This vote was a testament to the collective will and vision of the Swiss people. And with that, the stage was set for one of the most ambitious engineering projects in human history. The Gotthard Base Tunnel would not only be a marvel of modern engineering, but also a symbol of human ingenuity and perseverance. Designing the Gotthard Base Tunnel was no walk in the park. Imagine trying to draw a perfectly straight line through a mountain, knowing that even the slightest miscalculation could spell disaster. The engineers had to account for everything from the curvature of the earth to the immense pressure from the mountains above. They used advanced surveying techniques and computer modeling to create a three-dimensional map of the mountain range. The tunnel wasn't just one big hole in the ground. It consists of two single-track tunnels, running parallel to each other, with cross passages connecting them every 330 meters, or 1,083 feet for safety. They even built emergency stations and ventilation shafts to ensure the safety of passengers and workers. In 1999, after years of planning and preparation, the real dirty work began. Giant tunnel boring machines, or TBMs as the pros call them, were brought in to chew their way through the mountain. These things were massive, each one longer than a football field and weighing over 3,000 tons. They worked tirelessly, 24/7, grinding through the rock with massive rotating cutter heads. The excavated rock, millions of cubic meters of it, was transported out of the tunnel and used for construction projects elsewhere. Talk about recycling on a grand scale. Overcoming obstacles, nature fights back. Building a tunnel through the Alps wasn't without its challenges. The engineers and workers had to contend with everything from extreme temperatures to unexpected geological formations. In some sections, the rock was so hard that the TBMs could only advance a few meters a day. In other areas, they encountered water-saturated fault zones that threatened to flood the tunnel. But these tough men and women didn't give up. They used innovative techniques like injecting liquid nitrogen into the ground to freeze the water and stabilize the rock. They faced every obstacle head-on, proving that human ingenuity could conquer even the most formidable challenges. The light at the end of the tunnel. Breakthrough and completion. After 17 years of back-breaking work, the moment everyone had been waiting for finally arrived. The journey had been long and arduous, filled with countless challenges and obstacles that tested the limits of human endurance and ingenuity. On October 15, 2010, the last few meters of rock were blasted away, connecting the two ends of the Gotthard Base Tunnel. This monumental event marked the culmination of years of planning, engineering, and sheer determination. It was a moment of immense pride and celebration for everyone involved. The workers, engineers, and project managers all came together to commemorate this historic achievement, their faces beaming with joy and relief. The world watched in awe as this incredible feat of engineering was accomplished. News outlets from around the globe covered the event, highlighting the significance of this breakthrough in the world of transportation and infrastructure. But the work wasn't over yet. Despite the breakthrough, there was still much to be done to transform the tunnel into a fully operational railway. The tunnel still needed to be fitted with tracks, signaling systems, and all the other infrastructure needed for high-speed rail travel. This phase required precision and attention to detail, ensuring that every component was installed correctly and safely. It took another 6 years of meticulous work before the Gotthard Base Tunnel was finally ready for its grand opening. The dedication and perseverance of everyone involved paid off, resulting in a state-of-the-art tunnel that would revolutionize travel through the Swiss Alps. Transforming transportation. The impact of the Gotthard Base Tunnel. On June 1, 2016, the Gotthard Base Tunnel officially opened for business, forever changing the face of European transportation. Trains could now speed through the heart of the Alps at speeds of up to 250 kilometers per hour, or 155 miles per hour, cutting travel times between northern and southern Europe significantly. The tunnel has taken thousands of trucks off the roads, reducing congestion and carbon emissions. It has made travel faster, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. The Gotthard Base Tunnel is a testament to the power of human ingenuity to overcome even the most daunting challenges. A legacy of innovation. The future of the Gotthard Base Tunnel. The Gotthard Base Tunnel is more than just a tunnel. It's a symbol of Swiss precision, determination, and innovation. It's a legacy that will benefit generations to come, connecting people and cultures in ways that were once unimaginable. As we look to the future, the Gotthard Base Tunnel stands as a shining example of what we can achieve when we dare to dream big and work together. It's a reminder that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable obstacles, the human spirit of innovation and determination can prevail. And that's something worth celebrating, folks. If you found this video interesting and want to discover more about how things are made, built, or manufactured, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to Manufacta.